Hi everyone, I'm back with another new episode. In this episode, we are going to talk about overthinking. So, overthinking, I think we all would have done that at some point of time. We all would like to stop overthinking. So, as I always say, before trying to stop anything from happening, we need to find out why it is happening. So I'm planning to make this episode in two parts. Part 1 will be why we are overthinking, what is overthinking, and why should we stop overthinking. And part 2 we'll see how to stop overthinking. So it is going to be in 2 episodes. So now coming to what is overthinking. I will tell you a story, then you guess what it is. Okay. So I have taken classes for PG students, and I have asked 2 of my students to prepare a presentation on a difficult topic. So one person, PG, she is a doctor actually, she started making presentation. She started making her PPT. She was going to the library, searching for different books for the same topic, and she was asking her friends, she was asking other professors, getting more ideas, what to present, how long the presentation should be, how many slides should be there in the presentation. So she was overdoing it, overthinking it, but she was going towards solving the problem. The another doctor was just thinking like, this is a very difficult topic. How can I make a PPT on this? I am just a first year student. How will I be able to understand this topic? Who will help me? There is nobody to help me. So his way of thinking was like that. I think now you understand the difference between overthinking and thinking for solving the problem. So overthinking will not help you solve any problem. It will just dwell on the problem. So this is what overthinking is. So there are 2 types of overthinking. One, we overthink about our past. We all have past. Everyone would have done some mistake in the past. And we always think about the mistakes we have done, and we will think like, why did I do this? I should have said something else. Why did I even took that decision? Why did I even go there? All those things we do. This is overthinking about the past. The second type is overthinking about the future. Like the person I said, for the example, preparing a PPT, he's so scared about the presentation, and he was overthinking about the future even that is going to happen. So these are the 2 types of overthinking. So now, why is this happening? See, generally overthinking can be a symptom of anxiety or depression, but that we cannot deal. You have to take a proper psychological treatment. What I am talking about is we overthink only when under certain circumstances. We never do that all the 24 hours. So if it is that case, then it is easy to recover by taking certain steps that we will see in the second episode. So coming to the point, why do we overthink? See, we hate helplessness, correct? Whenever for example, my mother would like to solve all my problems. Whenever I have a problem, she will go fight with my teacher. She will ask for anything, whatever she can do in her power, she will try to solve my problems when I was with her in Gobichettipalayam. So now, there was at certain point of time, she was not able to solve all my problems. See, you can't know. You have to face certain problems. You cannot solve everything. You have to go through. We are not here to have fun and enjoy the life. We are here to fight for our life and grow through the process. But we want control, and we try to take control in every situation. When you can't take control and you can't correct or solve your problem, you start overthinking. Right? When you overthink, you are in a sense of control, and this helplessness will be at bay. So that is one of the reasons for overthinking. Helplessness, especially to our loved ones, our spouses, our parents or kids. If they have a problem and we can't solve it and we feel helpless and we start to overthink. Correct? Many of you would have felt that. The second point will be perfectionism. I know a friend who wants to take a dance video and post it in Instagram. But he used to take one video one day and he will look at the video and say the lighting is not good, and he will again take another video. He will think like, where should I take, how should I take, what is the choreo, but till today he has never posted any dance video in his Instagram account because he is overthinking about being perfect. It's not about being perfect, actually how he is feeling to be perfect. So that is also trying to be a perfect in everything could also be a reason for overthinking. So the third point is uncertainty. I'll tell you an example. That day I was driving back from my work and it was raining like anything, and there was water till the knee length all through the Chennai roads. So when I was driving, I was very uncertain. What is going to happen? What is going to happen to my car? Will my car stop in the middle of the road? What if I open the door to get down? All water will come inside my car. If I can't reach home, what will my son do? I was overthinking because I was uncertain of the situation that was around me. Somehow I reached safe home that day. I was swimming in the water with my car but reached home very safely. But on the way, I was overthinking. So fourth reason could be secondary gain. Some people overthink because they expect sympathy from others. So your loved one will come and talk to you, console you and help you. It feels nice, if your loved one is taking care of you. So that could be a reason. Or sometimes you can escape from making decisions, saying that I was not able to think over this problem. There are plenty of things to solve. I cannot just take a decision. So that is also a secondary gain. So people do overthink for secondary gain. Just imagine for what are the reasons that you have done overthinking in the past. It could be helplessness, perfectionism, uncertainty or secondary gain. So these are the reasons why we overthink. Okay, let's think. What's wrong in that? Thinking is okay. We have mind, we should think. What's wrong in it? Why should we stop overthinking? I think you all know the reason. When it affects your daily activities, it has to be stopped. One thing, it will affect your sleep. I have done that a lot. I'll go to bed. One trigger will remind me about something I have done wrong and didn't perform, something in the past will come to me and I'll keep on thinking about it, what all I should have done, what all I should have said and things like that, and I won't be able to fall asleep. I'll get up, go out, binge watch this, that, something or other things I'll do. So because of overthinking, my sleep will get disturbed. The second thing is sometimes when you are with your friends and you are overthinking about something and you will get isolated, then your friend will call you, hello madam, where are you? Then only we'll come to the present. So that is also affecting your daily activity. The one more thing that I have seen is loss of appetite, because some people will some friends would sit together and eat. She'll be thinking about something and suddenly she'll close the tiffin box. If no, I'm not in a mood to eat, I'm not at all feeling hungry, I'm not hungry. Even I have done that. So overthinking can affect your appetite also. I will give you one more example. I had a patient a few days back and she came with complaints of chronic headache. She has seen a physician and her physician has said that nothing is wrong in her. You just go see an eye doctor. If there is some problem in your eyes also, you can have headache. So she came to me, but everything was perfectly normal for her. So I started probing her, taking history. So I found out that she lost her son 5 or 6 years back and the kid was around 15 years, I think. It is pathetic. I totally understand, but it has been 5 years and she is having a daughter. She is neglecting her daughter totally, thinking only about her son who she lost 5 years back. See, it is giving her a physical ailment. She is having a chronic headache and it is affecting her relationship with her daughter. Overthinking. So if all these things, if you're losing your sleep, if you're losing your appetite, you're isolating yourself from your friends, and you're having problems in your relationship, physical ailments, you have to stop overthinking. How to do that? You have to wait for the second episode. Thank you. So see you in the next episode. Bye bye. Keep smiling.